It's time to write our opinion paragraph about popcorn. So you're going to want to use the paper that you did yesterday. So let me grab that. Okay, so you're going to want to have this paper ready so that you don't have to come up with new ideas. Now we're just making sure we put our ideas into sentences. Okay, so remember this is your opinion, not Miss Turner's. So if you happen to have the same opinion as Miss Turner, great, that's awesome. We can agree on that. But make sure that you are not just doing what I do, but coming up with your own ideas, okay? So remember, I decided that I think popcorn is fun to eat. Now, if I'm going to write that into a paragraph, I need to start by saying, in my opinion. In my opinion, comma, I think that popcorn is fun to eat. And I'm going to end with an exclamation point because I think it's really fun to eat. Okay, then I'm going to look at the reasons that I thought of yesterday, and I'm going to use two of those. So I'm just going to do my first two. Okay, so I think or I feel this way because and I remember I was thinking a good reason is because you eat it while you're doing other activities. You can eat it. Oops, I'm thinking too fast. While doing other activities. Okay, and then we're going to share a second reason. So I also think this because you can put different flavors on it. And then, remember yesterday, we already wrote our conclusion. So I'm not going to come up with something new. I'm going to use exactly my conclusion from yesterday. That is why I think popcorn is fun to eat. That is why I think, oh, can't say that. That is why I think, and I've got plenty of space on the back, popcorn is fun to eat. End with your period. Okay? And I would love to see your opinions of popcorn. And if you share it with me, I'll put it up on the Padlet so other people can see it as well. Okay? Happy writing!